Bam bam. What's up Candy Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today I'm just going to show you guys my quick little nighttime routine for when my hair is straight, to get these like curls or whatever, because I actually did a like an Instagram reel TikTok thing showing me taking down my rollers. And I had a lot of people, like asking for a tutorial on how I roll my hair at night. So that's what this is, okay? So it's real quick. I use these, they're called, I guess they're like self grip rollers, because it has the little bristles in them. But if you have a lot of hair like me, like if your hair is thick, it's not gonna, like, it ain't gonna do that much. So make sure you have some clips. And I just got these from Walmart. Let me see if I can show you the bag it came in. Alright, so here it is. This is the bag that I got from Walmart. What is it? Conair Volume, what is it? Oh, that's it, self grip rollers. So yeah, this is what I got. If I can find the link to it, I'll link it below, but I got them actually at Walmart, like just walking around the store. But anyway, so first thing I do is I just get a little small section in the front of my hair. Oops, not me tearing up my bed. Okay, I just grab a section of my hair in the front, and yeah, I see that it don't matter. And then I just grab the roller, oops, and roll it on down, honey. Like this. And then I get my clamp. I like to roll this one. I always make sure I roll this one up, because I like the curls, whatever like framing my face, I like it to be away from my face. I don't like for my hair to curl towards my face, if that makes sense. So I always do it that way, like backwards. And then for the rest of my hair, I just get this like soft, it's not satiny, but it's soft, I don't know, some type of soft texture scrunchie. And I put the rest of my hair into a high ponytail. Alright, so I have my hair in a ponytail. Don't wrap it real tight, because you don't want that little, like, like the little indentation that hair bow will give you or whatever. So I only did it twice around, but yeah, don't make it too tight. And then I just add rollers to the ponytail. And I'm using the pink and green ones. The pink one is the largest one, and then the green ones are the second largest. And I just roll the ponytail. And I just roll the ponytail any which way. Like, I don't care if it's upward or downward, whatever. As long as the roller get on my head, I don't care. So yeah, there's one. And I just keep repeating the process until my whole ponytail is done. Sorry, I know y'all can't really see. And y'all, it does not have to be perfect. As long as you got a majority of your hair on the roller, you good, honey. Okay, and here is the finished product. So you see I have one roller in the front and then all the rest of the rollers in my ponytail. And then to go to bed, all I do is grab my scarf. But anyway, I just grab my scarf. And you see, I placed it around the ponytail part, around my edges, around all of that. Bam, bam. And so this is really how I be walking throughout the day. Like if I'm just at home, this how I'm gonna be. But you know, we still gotta protect our hair from the pillowcase, so we still gotta protect this right here. So I just grab my bonnet and I just slap it on, child. This how I go to sleep. This how I be in my bed, just that me. So yeah, I'm about to get into bed and then I will come back to you guys in the morning for the takedown. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. It's 6:30, no, 5:40. It's 5 something in the morning, getting ready for work. So this is how, you know, I'm waking up. Everything stayed on last night. So now we're about to take out these rollers. Let me take this bonnet off. Uh-oh. Well, one of them already ready to go. My clamp just flew off. The scarf laid everything down overnight. So my edges back laid or whatever. The back still a little kitcheny, but it's all right. It's all right. So yeah, now all I do is just take the rollers out. All the rollers are out. Then I just take my ponytail out. We'll take the scrunchie out, whatever. Then I just take my very last roller out. Ooh. Y'all, this part feels good because the front of my head was itching. So y'all can see the curls for the girls. And just for a little shine, I'm going to add the Luster's Pink glosser. I don't know if y'all be able to see it right here. So I'm just going to spray a little bit into my hand. And mostly just put it on the ends first and then work my way up. You know, just to add a little bit more shine, a little bit more. You can never go wrong with some shiny hair. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Now I am ready to start my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.